Hi friends, welcome to #Techie. Today in this video we will see what do you mean by scope of variables. So what I've done is I've declared a class, and in this class we will see the scope of variables according to block or local scope. Let's go for it. In the previous lecture we have seen about data types, primitive and non-primitives, and in this video also I'll keep a source code in the description, so don't worry about the source code. We'll first see the explanation of the class. What I've done is I declared a static variable, a non-static double variable, a final character variable, and default scope string variable. So as the static is the first point of execution, firstly it will execute the static block. In that static block, I've declared a variable which are decremented, the variable which are declared in the above scope, and I also declared a local scope variable as pi value in it, and I have printed that value. After that, as per the execution flow, it goes to the static block. So it will give a call to the call another static function, and it will print a local variable value as well as the static variable value, which are they declared at the global scope or the class level scope, as you may say. After that, what I've done, I've declared a non-static variable value function, that is display normal function. So in that function, as you can see, we can access the static function variable which is statvar. statvar. So but double var, which is also a global non-static variable, we can access here, but reverse is not true. If you try to access double var, which is the local which is the global double variable in a static method, it will not be able to do. Let's see if I try to access double var in a main method. No, compiler will complain. You cannot make static reference to a non-static variable, so that's not allowed. That's a point to be remembered, the local and global scope. So that was all about the explanation about the program. Let's see what output it prints. Run as Java application. See, firstly, as per my explanation, it's gone to the static block. It is as it chooses the first point of execution. It is printed value of local static block variable as 3.14, which is a final value which we declared, and after that it's printed 0 because we decremented the static global value which was initially 1. After that, it has moved to the static method definition. In that, the global variable, its value is 1, because in this we didn't process any we didn't perform any processing function in the global static variable, so it's printed directly as 1, and the local normal variable is printed as it is. And also the local variable we cannot access out of the local store. If you try to access, it will give us certainly the warning compilation error, it will not able to do so. So that was about static block and methods. And now we come to the non-static method. As you can see, value of double variable is 2.44. This is the variable which we are declared in the global scope 3.44, and we just decremented it, so it's printing 2.44, which is correct again. And the value of final character is f. It's remain unchanged. By the meaning final, if I try to change it in some any other scope, suppose I try to change the char alphabet value equal to G, it cannot, it is compiling, it's not giving allowed to do so. But even if in the non-static method, if I try to do so, it will again give compilation error, because the final modifier cannot be changed, so you cannot do so. What if I give the same alphabet name? So again it's not allowing, again it's complaining. So I rule only the same value can be printed in the program. It cannot be assigned or changed or accessed anywhere. It can directly be printed. So we have directly printed the final character value f. That's the rule of the final keyword scope of variable. And finally I have declared another double value variable value in main method, that is 2.0. That's rightly printed on the screen. So friends, this video was all about scope of variable and its various usage according to global, local, static, scope of execution. So do keep liking, subscribing, #Techiemeet. More videos to come on for you related to core Java basics. Bye for now.